Welcome to Asim Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video, we will write Python code snippet that demonstrates various bitwise operations on integer types. Python's integers are of arbitrary precision, which means they can grow in size as needed. However, operations like shifting may produce unexpected results when dealing with large integers. Bitwise operations in Python. Initialize two integer values. Bitwise AND operation. The AND operation compares each bit of two numbers. If both bits are 1, the result is 1. Bitwise OR operation. The OR operation compares each bit. If at least one bit is 1, the result is 1. Bitwise XOR operation. The XOR operation compares each bit. If the bits are different, the result is 1. Bitwise NOT operation. The NOT operation inverts all the bits. In Python, it gives the negative of the number -1. Bitwise left shift operation. The left shift operation shifts all bits to the left by the specified number of positions. It adds zeros on the right. Bitwise right shift operation. The right shift operation shifts all bits to the right by the specified number of positions. Summary of results. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting us.